The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by CenTex Foundation Repair. If you're looking for the expertise of a company that's been in Central Texas for over 30 years, you're in luck. Mike Hanahan, sales manager with CenTex Foundation Repair, is here to share tips for homeowners. So Mike, what are the most common signs that a Central Texas homeowner might have a foundation problem?
When you start seeing doors and windows, doors don't close correctly, windows don't open and close. If you have a brick house on the outside, there's either going to be stair stepping in the brick, or you'll see they put a cold joint in there. You'll start to see that separate, or cracks in your slab. Some of the other things, sheetrock cracks, as well as sometimes your house starts to tilt and you won't even notice it, but the doors goes to open or close. What
makes Central Texas soils so challenging for foundations? This I'm really interested in.
Central Texas soils are super expansive. So when it rains, it's like a sponge in the sink. When it rains or when you get it wet, it expands, and when it dries, it shrinks. And it's basically what the soil underneath your house is doing. But that up and down movement season over season just gets worse and worse and worse.
CenTex has been around for over 30 years. What sets y'all apart?
We were started back in 1992 by a guy by the name of Ben Cooper. He ran it for until he passed away, and then he sold the company to 3 of the guys that worked for him. And we still run it as a family business. We do offer a lifetime warranty, and the warranty is for the lifetime of the structure.
How does a typical foundation repair project work? Basically, what can a homeowner expect?
So we start with, when you give us a call, we dispatch a field technician to come out. I did bring my zip level. We use these, they're to measure, it's basically like an altimeter. So we measure, we find a starting point and we measure looking for deviations. We just go after the areas that need work right now. So, you know, some companies will come in and they'll tell you put piers all the way around the house and inside, and it's very disruptive. You know, if the house is out of tolerance, we will pier those areas that need to be fixed right now, because the rest of the house may not ever move.
What's one piece of advice you'd give a homeowner who thinks they might have a foundation issue?
I would say give us a call. You know, we provide free estimates. It's better to get it checked out, have that peace of mind knowing that there's nothing wrong with the house, than it is to let it go, because the longer you wait, the more it's going to cost you.
Mike, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Visit WeLevelIt.com or call the number on your screen to schedule a free inspection. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by CenTex Foundation Repair.